Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling what you need and aligning the pages precisely. Clamp the stack so edges sit flush. This prevents shifting during binding. Once clamped, measure and mark the spine margin. These marks guide glue or stitching and ensure even pressure. You want consistent contact across the spine because gaps cause weak bindings. Make small pilot holes of stitching or roughen the spine surface with fine sandpaper so PVA glue grips better. Take your time here. A neat start makes the rest reliable. Once the spine is prepared, choose glue or stitching and work systematically. If you glue, brush a thin, even coat of PVA from top to bottom and allow it to soak into fibers. Repeat for a second coat after the first sets. If you stitch, thread evenly through the marked holes, keeping tension steady so the spine sits flat. Next, attach a mull or cloth strip over the spine while adhesive is tacky. This creates strength and hides stitching. Make sure to press everything flat to remove air pockets. You finish by cleaning edges and attaching the cover carefully. Trim any overhang, then align the cover hinge parallel to the spine. Press from center outward to avoid wrinkles. Use PVA or strong double-sided tape to secure the cover, and place the book under weight or in clamps for 2 to 4 hours so the bond cures fully. If pages shift after curing, reclamp with a thin shim to correct alignment. This troubleshooting tip fixes minor misalignments without redoing the whole binding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.